Hello. Hello, what would you like? I would like 1 movie ticket to see Night at the Museum Battle of the Smithsonian. Okay, that will be $6,100,665,000,000,000. What? That's absurd! Yes, but this is how business rolls. So far this year, we had 10,000 customers. They must be rich. Very rich. Okay, here. Thank you. And can I have extra large, extra buttered popcorn? Sure. Wait a minute. I'll have to ask him. Who's him? Our manager. Just look over there. Okay. He said you have to try the new popcorn nobody likes. Okay. Oh God, what is it? What is it? Oh God, no! Oh my God, this is pepper popcorn! You know, this isn't even popcorn, it's pepper! Now I smell like pepper! Achoo! Oh, you didn't try it. All you did was sneeze. Him is mad. Him is mad. Fine. If you're asking for something else less sneezily, sure. Here's our new state-of-the-art hard candy. Bring me another here! Oh my God! That's horrible! I can't breathe! Please, okay, now can I see my movie? You'll have to ask him. Me personally? Yes, I am tired of asking him. He said no. Then you can't see the movie and no refunds. What? What? No refunds? What the heck is your problem? Nothing. This is just how business rolls. So, yeah, I'll see you back in, I don't know, you ever come back. I don't want to come back. He said, did I just hear that? Yes, did I just hear that? Oh my God, he's got a big butt. Ah, ah, ah. That's what you get for making fun of my teacher.